Hello friends, welcome back again. So in these tutorials we are going to discuss about the if else if statements and how we have to work it. So first of all I want to show the syntax and how we have to use this in this tutorial. So you can see on your screen that this is the third type, and we will try to find out the percentage of student, grade of student according to the percentage of student. So if the student get 90% or greater than 90%, so we will A above 75, we will give B above 60 or 55%, we give C above D, above 40 we will give D grade, and if it is less than 40, so we will show fail. So this type we can use this if else if statement, conditional statement. So here is the syntax. You can see if test condition. If I show you, if this is true, then it will run this statement. If it is false, then it skip this whole if and come here, and it check the test condition. This, if it is true, then it run the condition. If it is not true or false, it skip also this. It skip this also. Then if you mention the if else another statement, then it follow this, but I don't have any another else if statement, so here is the else statement. It will run this. If these two condition false, it run the else part. If any one of them true, whether the first one true or whether the second one true, any one of true, it will run the else part. Okay, so we will run this code on our screen. So let's start. Okay, here we are on NetBeans, so we will write the code. So here is an integer A, so I am using this for %A. So I type here, enter the percentage of student. Okay, so it will store into the A. So we'll type if A greater than or equal to 90, then we print grade A. So I want to show the percentage also, so I can type here percentage is %D, and I using slash, and for new line then it shows the grade. If it is not 90%, so then I can use another if, then another if, or we can use else if. Okay, so for that I using else if, not if, because it is the third time and we have to use this. So I copy this and make it else if. Then if our student get more than 75% or equivalent 75, then it show the percentage and it will show the grade B. So I copy this and I will run for the 55. I paste it again here. So if it greater than 55 or less than 75, means 74, from 74 to 75, it will show grade C. So again I paste it. I want to show you for grade D. Else if A less than or greater than or equal to 40, then we show grade D. Okay, grade D. Let us suppose if our students never have 90%, so it will skip this. It doesn't have 75% or above, it will skip this. If it doesn't have 55 or above or between the 75, so it will not run this. If it doesn't have 40, so it means he has less than 40 marks, so it means we have to specify here else. If any one of the condition will not run here, so this program have to run the else part. If any one of them true, or run the condition this if run, or this if, or this else if, or this else if, it will not run the else part. Else parts only run when all the above condition are false. So it means the students secure less than 40 marks. So I will copy this, so it will shows the percentage and shows fail. Okay, so this is all about the code. I mentioned all the things. 90 above, so this will run 75 and 75 above, and less than 90, so it will run these. 74 to 55 it will run these. 54 to 40 it will run this part. If less than 40, so it run this. Okay, I mentioned this. We will run this code. So I clicked here, enter the percentage. Let us suppose the student got 91%, so it's percent. So here it shows the address, okay, not the percentage, because we are not mentioned whose value he has to show in this program. So I typed A because our percentage is in A variable, so I missed that, so that's why it shows the garbage or address value. Okay, I run again. So 91 percentage, 91 grade A. So again I rerun 74. So 74 is C because it is this part for 75 or above, and less than 75 means 74 to 55 it run this part. Okay, so for 40 or 45 D, if it is less than D means it is less than 40%, or 39, 36 or anything, it shows 39% and grade fail. So I hope you will understand how you have to use else if statement, control statements. In the next tutorial we are going to use switch. Okay, so thanks for watching this.